Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here with the new video. I just left the gym. I'm just chilling in the car, just trying to take in this air conditioning. It is a heat wave in New York City and it's no end in the near future. So you got to appreciate the little moments in the air conditioning. And my arms feel so weak. I gotta drive. Jesus. But that's all right. I always feel powerful when I leave the gym after a really good workout. So I feel energized. And that's why I'm doing this video right now. So I've mentioned this in my last vlog and I made a post on my community page here on YouTube, but I didn't make a video. So I want to make a video today about my brand new book, Mace, Maya, and Mary the Lock Fairy. So this is a proof copy. So that's why there's the not for sale sign on there. But this is it. This is my very first children's book. And I want to read the back to you guys. Meet the author. You guys know me, so I'm not going to read that part. But here's the little blurb on the book. Mace, Maya, and Mary the Lock Fairy was written to empower children with locks, whether they are bullied for their misunderstood hairstyle or if they feel less than their peers for looking different. This book is for them. Keisha Charmaine is showing amazing people who look like them, who are black with locks, to empower children to be confident in their hair, knowing that the sky's the limit for what they can achieve. So essentially the book is about these two twins, siblings, Mason and Amaya, and they are new in their community. They moved from an urban community to a suburban community, and they're starting a new school. And while the school is great, it has a lot of opportunities for them, there are no kids that look like them, and they're bullied. They start feeling ashamed of what it is they look like, and they decide that they don't want their locks anymore. So Mary, the Lock Fairy, responds to a call from their parents, and she comes through to save the day. Let me show you Mary, the Lock Fairy, and I want you to tell me if she looks familiar. So this is Mary, the Lock Fairy. Who does she look like? Does she look familiar at all? So you can get your own copy on Amazon.com. It's also available on Kindle. Get a copy for you, get a copy for your little locks loved one, and even for your little loved ones who don't have locks. This is a good book for all children to read so they can learn about the plight of a locked child and learn about some influential locked black people throughout history and modern times. My also beautiful little niece, well, goddaughter, modeled for me to help me promote the book. Here are some of her photos. These are my favorites. Isn't she cute, guys? Oh my goodness. She's about to be 7. I can't believe it. This book is ideal for ages, in my opinion, 7 to 13. 7 to 13. So depending on their reading level, they may need the book to be read to them. But if they're an advanced 7, they can read it on their own. My goddaughter, she's more of an advanced 7. She read it on her own. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you get your copy and I hope that you love it. And when you do get the copy, please, I appreciate it if you left a little review on Amazon.com. That really helps. That really helps with the visibility of the book. And I see my camera is getting overheated, so let me get out of here. Be sure to check out KeishaCharmaine.com for your hair products and hair accessories. As usual, follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Follow me on TikTok at the Keisha Charmaine. Make sure you leave a comment below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'm almost at 100K, guys. Almost at 100K. It's been a long time coming. I appreciate you. Love, light, and locks.